I had the idea of this recipe because I wanted to eat Tom Yum Goong and see, he wanted to eat pasta. So I will mix them both. Swadika everyone! Monday, new recipe! I am very sorry for last week that we didn't make the video for you. And I hope that everything is fine for you and your family with what is happening right now. But the good news is, you have more time to cook at home. So today I will show you guys how to cook Tom Yum Goong pasta. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with making Tom Yum paste. Finely chopped lemongrass, galangal, chili, kaffir lime leaf, we need only 1 tablespoon of chopped lemongrass, also the other ingredients as well actually. Now that we chop 1 tablespoon of each ingredient, let's start working on the paste. Just by smelling, even if I was not cooking, I can tell it's Tom Yum. Smell delicious. Now, let's start preparing the shrimp. Take off the shrimp head, as always. And then remove the skin. And now cut the back to remove the black vein. I will stop from here because we also have to cook shrimp with pasta. Now let's cook pasta for 7 to 8 minutes. I like it like this. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. Tell me in the comments that how pasta you like, al dente or it's very soft. But this one is, I think, is perfect pasta. Okay, now our pasta is ready. Let's cook Tom Yum Goong pasta. Once the oil is hot, add your Tom Yum paste. Fry it a bit, and then add tomato sauce, I think it's a bit thick, so I will add some water. And then add chili paste. Fish sauce. Mushroom. It smells Tom Yum for real. Even it's not look like Tom Yum, but the smell is Tom Yum. Once your mushroom is cooked, add pasta. Now the last step, add shrimp. To even make it more Thai, I will add green onion and lamb. Yay!
Let's try that.
Time
Very
to
excited.
try.
Seems to be very good actually. Seems to.
It,
And
it is.
it looks really good. Like this is really the kind of dish you could find in the fine dining. But wait, maybe the taste is not.
Hey.
I have to confess, I'm very bad at eating pasta, especially spaghetti. I never know how to do, so pardon me.
You know only how to eat now. Don't forget me now.
Yeah. It's funny because the first taste I have when I put in my mouth is the taste of shrimp, actually. And then you can feel all the spices of the Tom Yum
The
paste.
herbs.
It's really good.
And it's not that spicy, right?
It's a bit spicy, as always.
And now let's try even more Thai with lamb juice.
With lamb
Not
juice.
too much, enough.
Like that.
Because normally in Tom Yum Goong we also add lamb juice, right? But for the pasta, I want to add after. What do you think? With or without?
For my taste, I prefer without.
Can I try
Yes,
too?
please.
I know, right? This?
It's a bit spicy after. Oh, you have the technique, huh?
Yeah, I've been working in the restaurant for many years.
Yeah.
I like it. It's Tom Yum Goong, but just without soup.
It's Tom Yum Goong, but with
Shrimp,
spaghetti.
try shrimp.
Yeah, I like try shrimp.
Huh? Together with the pasta is very good. It's even better.
It's really good. Just in case you want to see the traditional Tom Yum Goong, and what was the other Tom Yum you did?
We also have Tom Yum seafood.
Tom Yum seafood and Tom Yum Goong, so we will put the link somewhere around here.
Maybe here.
No.
Okay, as always, don't forget to subscribe.
It's free and it really helps us a lot. So if you watched until then, until now, you have to subscribe.
Yes. And also, don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what kind of pasta you like, and very important, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
บ๊ายบาย
What are you trying to do?